Welcome to this course on Hadoop Fundamentals. The objectives of this course are to be able to work with Cloudera-based Hadoop ecosystem, execute various HDFS commands, know the HDFS architecture, import and export data to and from HDFS using SQOOP, get to know about MapReduce, create Hive tables and execute Hive query using the Hue UI, run Impala queries using Impala-Shell, create and execute pig scripts to perform ETL, and to create and execute the OOZIE workflow for SQOOP action. The course description. Apache Hadoop is an open source software framework which allows the distributed processing of large datasets across clusters of commodity computers using a simple programming model. It is designed to solve problems involving analyzing data in the magnitude of petabytes. Its programming model is based on Google's MapReduce. The target audience for this course include database and data warehouse developers, big data developers, data analysts, and any technical personnel interested to learn and explore the various features of big data and its tools. The prerequisites for this course are as follows: a basic Java programming knowledge, a working knowledge on database systems and data warehouses, basic Python programming knowledge, and basic Linux commands. The lessons and practices involved in this course are Introduction to Big Data, Hadoop, understanding the HDFS architecture, Introduction to MapReduce, getting started with SQOOP, Introduction to Hive and Impala, getting started with Pig, Introduction to OOZIE. The practice environment that needs to be set up for this course are as follows. Docker Desktop has to be installed and started. MySQL connector for Java has to be installed. In summary, from this lesson, you must have learnt of the detailed course objectives, course description based on these objectives, target audience, prerequisites for this course, course schedule, and the necessary practice environment.